Okay, so now I want to make gown with this beautiful lace fabric that you're seeing right here. So this is one thing about the job that I love because it is full of creativity. So we want to create something with a plain fabric. So I have so what I want to do here now based on this style is princess that, and I have video that consists on how to get your princess that. So I won't waste much time, but I just want to take you guys through. So I have a video on how to get your princess that you should know. So this is half length that I want to make now. So I'll go ahead to cut it. I might put you through if I wish, because I already have the video. So I might drop the link of my princess that video so it will be easier for you to go and learn in case you don't know how to do it. It is very easy to learn and understand. So thank you. Okay, so I have written down this measurement because we are going to work with this measurement as we did on our previous video. So we need this measurement in order to guide us in how we are going to understand and how to use this. So this will be our guide for our pattern, how to use the measurement to put on it. So we are going to use calculator as we are using this formula. So I have already get my shoulder to bust, under bust. I told you I have video on how to get this, but I want to use our calculator on what we learned yesterday or what our previous class to show you guys on how to go about it. So my shoulder to bust is 11. I make it 11.5. Shoulder to under bust is 14.5. I make it 15. So my full length of my top is 17. I make it 18 because 1 inch for sewing allowance. You join this part with half inch, join this part with half inch. So after that, what we are going to do next now is to get our shoulder measurement. So our shoulder is 15. So 15 divided by 2 will give us 7.5. So I have my 7.5 here plus 2 inches for sewing allowance. So this 2 inches for sewing allowance now, I will come down from this top point and get 5 inches. So this is a different calculation. If I want to calculate on how to get your armhole, it's very easy to calculate on how to get your armhole. So let me say this calculation, I think I will treat this in a separate video because it will take much time. So I mark 5 inch here. Then after doing that, I come again and get my shoulder measurement plus 2 inches. I mark and I rule my line. These are my guide for my princess dart. These are my guide. So after getting it like this, what I'm going to do next now is to get my nipple to nipple measurement. So my nipple to nipple measurement, I'm going to divide my bust divided by 4. So my bust is 39.5. I will divide it by 6. Divided by 6 will give me 6.5. So 39.5 divided by 6 gave me 6.5. So 6.5 now. 6.5 plus 1. 6.5 plus 1.5. So your bust divided by 6 plus 1 and half. You're supposed to know that 0.5 is half. So if I say 1.5, you're supposed to know that it is half. Our half here, which is our fourth line of the fourth measurement of our tape, the middle part, the fourth one. If you count from this one, the fourth one, which is the 0.5, based on our calculation I taught you yesterday, which I have here. And I place it here. 4/8 give us 0.5. So plus 1.5. So the 1.5 will give me equal to 8. My measurement which I have for my bust now is 8. So I have my 8 here. Yeah, never play that thing. They count.
Yes.
So I have my 8 here. So my 8 here, then half inch for sewing allowance. So after getting my half inch sewing allowance, I now have 4.5. For you to understand, I have 8 and my material is on fold. So I forgot to tell you that. So you divide your 8 divided by 2. That was how I was able to get 4 inch plus 0.5. Then I mark it 0.5, 4.5, mark here 4.5, and I rule my straight line. So after ruling my straight line, I have my bust and my under bust. So how to get my dart for my under bust now? What I'm going to do is to divide my bust which is 39.5 minus 33 equals to 6.5. So my bust is 39.5 minus 33. The answer I got is 6.5. So I am going to use 6.5 for my measurement of my dart. So that's 6.5. Since my measurement is my dart is on fold, I'm going to divide my 6.5 into 2. So 6.5 divide 6.5 by 2. It will give me 3.025. 6.5 divided by 2 will give me 6.375. So my bust minus my under bust give me 6.5 divided by 2 give me 3.025. So what I'm going to do now, I will leave my 0.25. Sorry, I will leave my 2.5, and I'm going to use 3 inches for my waist. Instead of the 6.5, I'm going to remove the half to the 0.5. Then I'm going to use only 6. So that's it. I'm going to place 1 inch here and place 2 inch at this part. So I'm going to take this down, place 1 inch here and place 2 inch at this part. Then I'm going to rule my line here. Then rule my line here. So after getting my darts out, what I'm going to do next now is to connect from my nipple point down to my darts here. So I can use my straight cord for that. Let it like this. And from this point, I'm going to connect it to this first line, just like this. So connect it again like this. So after getting it there, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use 0.5. I'm going to use 0.5 down here. Then I will go up 0.5 to get the shape of my cup. So I will go ahead to connect it first video. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to get the shape of my bust on this other side. So I'm going to use my cord ruler. I'm going to place my cord ruler like this to get my bust cord. So after connecting it down to this my 0.5, from this other part, I am going to connect it down to this other point. So I will use my straight ruler to do that. So this is just it. So what I'm going to do next time is to get my bust measurement, get my waist measurement. So my bust measurement divided by 4. My bust measurement, I'm going to divide it by 4. 39.5 divided by 4 will give me 9.875, which is 9.875, which I have here. Will give me 9.875. This is 9.875. So remember our tape when we use our index calculation. 9.875, which is the 7th line. That is what we give you 9.875. So it is better you understand using your calculator, so that you are not going to need this as your calculating system. So, but with time you need to use this so that you understand how to calculate. So this one will give me now 9.875 plus 3 inches for sewing allowance. Then now I'll go over to the waist form to calculate my waist. My waist is 33. 33 divided by 4 will give me 8.25. 8.25. 8.25. So 8.25 now is the second stroke. 8.25. I'll mark my 8.25 here. Then my 3 inches for my dart, which I'm going to cut from. I'm going to extend it down here. Then add 3 inches to my sewing allowance. Then I connect. Then I will cut out look at the show. Look at the show. Look at the show. Look at this thing. But this place is show. Okay. So my back now, 2 inches for my sewing allowance. Inside should be get some car price for this car.